In today's video, I am going to teach you how to validate domain on Kit. Validating your domain in Kit is an important setup step if you want your emails to send reliably and look professional. When your domain is verified, mailbox providers are more likely to trust your messages, which can help with deliverability and reduce the chance of emails landing in spam. To begin, sign into your Kit account and open the Settings area. From Settings, go to Email. This is where Kit manages the domains you are allowed to send from. On the email page, scroll down until you find the section called Verified Sending Domains. In that section, click the option to add a domain. You will see a field where you can enter your domain name. Type the domain you want to use for sending, then click Next to continue. Kit will now show you a table with CNAME records. These are DNS records that you need to add at your domain provider so Kit can confirm you own the domain and are allowed to send from it. Take your time here and copy the CNAME records exactly as they appear. Accuracy matters, including spelling, dots, and any special parts of the host or target values. Next, open a new browser tab and log in to your domain provider, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, or whichever service you use to manage your domain. Go to the DNS settings for the domain you entered in Kit. In the DNS management area, add the CNAME records you copied from Kit. Make sure each record is added in the correct place, and avoid extra spaces. If your provider asks for a TTL value, the default option is usually fine. Once you have added and saved those DNS changes, return to Kit. Back on the domain verification screen, click Validate. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take some time to fully propagate, so if validation does not succeed immediately, wait a little and try again. After Kit confirms the records, your domain will show as verified, and you will be ready to send from it with more confidence. And that is all there is to it.